Here's how the 5 minute candle hack will work on Bookmap. So, for those wondering how Bookmap and the 5 minute candle hack can go together, this is exactly how I would use it. So, I usually have this pulled up on a separate screen, and as you can see, our first 5 minute candle pushed down for the first 2 minutes, like I talk about, and then midway through, we do a push up to grab these orders here. But as you can see, there's nothing really going on here in the midst of that 5 minute candle pushing down here. So if you were to take a buy in this area, you could see the sell orders were building up here for the push back down here. And you could have caught the continuation back up to about this area to create that wick on the other side of that 5 minute candle. And then you could have gotten out of that trade because obviously we're scalping here. We're not holding it long term unless we're going with the trend. And then you would have been able to take that order, sell back down again to finish off the rest of that 5 minute candle down in the direction that it wants to go down to this area where the next orders of buys are coming in. So this is exactly how you can utilize the 5 minute candle hack. I know this was very, very quick. I have in-depth tutorials on this inside of the WAP community. And I also have more tutorials on how you can do it with the pullback and continuation method using just trading views. So if you're not used to Bookmap and you're not used to looking for the 5 minute candle hack on Bookmap, then you can obviously, of course, head over to TradingView, look at the 5 minute candle hack through there. I have tons of binary options videos that will also teach you the 5 minute candle hack, which is where this is originated from, but also comes in handy for using on NASDAQ. So this is just something that will help you a little bit more on pocket option. We don't have order flow. We don't have any of this delta, DOM, volume, footprint, whatever you like to look at. None of that really exists on pocket option. So I had to dissect this candle on my own. So then when I came over to using it on pocket option, I mean on NASDAQ, I used it on NASDAQ and was completely blown away with how common this actually happens in between these order zones. So if you're somebody that likes to grab a couple ticks and get out, this would be an awesome strategy for you to find the imbalance and where the market is going and where you could just scalp 10, 20 ticks, 5 ticks if you want to, and just be in and out of the market pretty quick. This morning, I made over $2,000 today just doing this exact same method. I was scalping the ticks from the 5 minute candle and I was in and out pretty quickly. So if you want to do the same thing, stay tuned. Follow me. I will post more and more videos on this showing you the 5 minute candle hack and how it works between 9:30 and around 10:30, 11 o'clock every single day during the New York session. And then, of course, if you want to see it more in depth, you will see all of my binary options videos on how I do this as well, all throughout the day using the 5 minute candle hack on Pocket Option.